Most people are using Google Gemini completely wrong. They ask simple questions and get average answers. But today, I'll show you how to use Google Gemini like a pro and get better results than 99% of users. These simple tricks can save you time, boost productivity, and even help you make money online. Let's get started. Use smart prompts most important. The biggest mistake people make with Gemini is using weak prompts. If you ask basic questions, you'll get basic answers. Instead, you need to give clear and detailed instructions. For example, don't just write. Write an article about AI. Instead, write a 500-word blog post about AI tools for students in simple English with examples. The more specific your prompt is, the better result Gemini will give you. Think of Gemini like a smart assistant. The clearer your instructions, the better it performs. Use Gemini to make money. Most people don't realize that Gemini can help you earn money online. You can use it for writing content, freelancing, YouTube scripts, business ideas, social media posts. For example, you can ask Gemini, "Give me 10 online business ideas using AI for beginners." Or write a professional Fiverr gig description for logo design. Within seconds, you'll get powerful results you can use to earn online. Use Gemini with images and files. Here's something many people don't know. You can upload images and files to Gemini and ask questions about them. For example, upload a photo and ask, "Describe this image for Instagram caption." Upload a document and ask, "Summarize this file in simple English." This feature can save hours of work and make your tasks much easier. Use Gemini for daily productivity. You can use Gemini every day to become more productive. Students can use it for study notes, homework help, learning new skills. Professionals can use it for emails, reports, planning, research. You can even ask Gemini to create daily schedules, workout plans, or learning plans. It's like having a personal AI assistant available 24/7. Now you know how to use Google Gemini like a pro. Most people only use basic features, but with these tips you're already ahead of 99% of users. If you want more powerful AI tools, smart tech tips, and ways to make money using AI, subscribe and become an AI rockstar. Thanks for watching.